criminal justice. This is something that we probably haven't talked about too much in class. Well, let me say this first. Today is for 3/25/2020. We haven't really talked about much of the corrections aspect of criminal justice. So today we're going to read an article that talks a little bit about what the possibility of a pandemic and how it might affect things inside of a correctional institution. So the article that you're going to read today talks about federal prisons, other states, as well as Texas facilities. I know this morning, late last night, I was looking at current event articles and I saw that there is a confirmed case of coronavirus in Texas prisons. I think we're only sitting at one in Texas prisons. So if we have got one, we're probably going to have a whole lot more here fairly quickly because, you know, this thing is highly contagious, and in prisons, people are in close proximity. So after you've watched the video, of course you're doing that now, and you've read the article, I want you to go to the notes that'll be attached as well and answer the questions that I have in the notes. Some of the notes or some of the questions you need to go into the article and mine for that information. Some of the questions I'm going to ask you to have an original thought, okay? I'm going to ask you to think about it using your resources and your life, what you've read, what you think, your moral and ethical standard, what you think is fair and just, and, you know, put a little thought into it, take it seriously, and tell me what you think. Who's at risk? Is it the staff? Is it the prisoners? Is it the community at large? If we have a massive outbreak inside the penitentiary, is nobody at risk? Do you even care? If all the inmates in the prison were to die because of this pandemic, would that affect you and me? Now, those aren't necessarily the questions I'm going to ask, but those are the kinds of things that I want you to be thinking about when you answer the questions. All right, so looking forward to hearing your answers. I hope everybody stays safe, and we will be looking forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.